Hello everyone, this is Amrit. Welcome back to the channel. This video is the continuation of our full stack movie booking application series. And from this video, we will start our backend. Okay, so without any further delay, let's jump into the code. I hope you already have this folder BMS backend. And if you don't have, you have to clone it from my repo that I already provided in my first video. We will be building our application using Express.js and TypeScript, and we are going to follow a feature-based modular architecture where each features like this Auth, movie, show, theater, users has its own route, controller, services, and models. Okay, this way our project stays clean, scalable, and easy to maintain as it grows. On the top of that, we will also use TypeScript to make our development more reliable and strong typing and better tooling support. Okay. And in today's video, we will start by setting up our MongoDB database. Okay. So that we are ready to connect it with our backend in the upcoming videos. Okay. So first of all, you have to install MongoDB community server and MongoDB GUI tool, that is MongoDB Compass, from the MongoDB website. Okay. So if you don't have installed in your system, then please install it from here. And this is MongoDB community server. You can install it for Windows and Mac as well from here. And same for this MongoDB Campus GUI tool, you can install it. Okay. So I will provide these links in the description. You can follow from there. And please make sure to install it first, then proceed with the video. Okay. Okay. So now let's set up our database. So first of all, go to the config folder and here you have to create one file, that is db.ts. Okay, and here just import mongoose. Okay, now let's create one function, that is to connect db, and this is an async function. Inside this function, create a try catch block, and inside the catch block we have to display the error, that is first let's display here failed to connect to database, and we have to pass the error, and here just write process dot exit 1. Okay, now here await mongoose dot connect, and here we have to pass the URL. Okay, URL of MongoDB, and after that just export this. Okay, so I'm going to use here a config file to manage all the configuration of our application. So first of all, just create a config.js file, and here just create a config object. So first of all, I want here a port. Okay, this is the port and database URL. Okay, so let's rename it as Mongo connection string. Okay, for now I only need these two configuration. Now let's export this config file. So export const config, and we have to export it like that, right? Object.freeze and config. Okay, what does this line means is that by doing object.freeze, this config object is now immutable. Okay, so no one can add or remove any configuration from this object. Okay, so that is the benefit of this. Now you have to import one more thing, that is coming from .env, that is import config as conf from .env. Okay, and now here you have to call this. Okay, now let's save it and go to the db.ts, and here just write like here config.database URL. Okay, and this is as a string. Okay, we have to display it here as well, connected to database. Okay, let's save it. So our method is done. Now we have to create a database. Okay, we did everything, but we did not pass the database URL yet. Okay, so first of all, we have to create a database. So just open your MongoDB Compass, and here add new connection, and here just write BookMyScreen white. Okay, let's change the color to red and save and connect. Okay, so this database is connected. Now here what you have to do is just write like this, and here YT, okay, or YT, okay. Okay, now let's call it from our entry point of the application. Okay, so our entry point of the application is server.ts. Okay, and here I manually set the port here. So just write here. So just remove this and write here config dot port. Okay. Now after this, I want to connect to database. Okay. Okay. So here just write await connect DB. Okay. So this is done. Now after this, we have to start our server. Okay. And this app is coming from app.ts page. Okay. So I have created the Express app inside this app.ts file. So here you can see that Express app is created here, and this is using cookie parser, Express.json, as well as I already set up the CORS policy. Okay, this I will explain you later when we will connect our backend with the front end. Okay, and global error handler, this will also come in our upcoming videos. So this is the home route that whenever you are hitting localhost 9000 port, then you will get this message. Okay, so everything is done. Now let's start our server. Okay, you can see that connected to database and it is listening to port 9000. Okay, now let's go to the 9000 port. Yeah, you can see that welcome to BookMyScreen API. Okay, so our backend setup is done. Database is also connected. Now in the next video, we will start by creating our first module, that is movie module. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.